Hello, my YouTube friend. This is Not Mechanic here. Some of you probably wondering what happened to the 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. I just want to say that the van has been finished. As you can see, now I have to take it to DOT Salvage in order to pass inspection. I also want to take this opportunity to thank Nick and his crew for helping me out with the bumper. The bumper was misaligned and they helped me out and took care of it. I don't know if some of you guys remember, me and my daughter had an accident in this van and we was rear-ended and the car was total. They said that the repair was gonna be almost $12,000 to repair, so they totaled it. Now I just want to say that this repair did not come out not even close to that. In parts, I probably spent about $300 and whatever I pay for them to realign the bumper for me, maybe like $400 in parts to fix this car. I have the receipts of everything I've done because when you go to the DOT Salvage, they want to see receipts, they want to see what you have done with it. But I just want to say is that it was not $12,000. I'm gonna get you up close. Some of the parts I used the bumper. All I did was heat it up. I'll show you some parts and maybe you can give me some pointers. I looked up into the bottom. The bottom looks good. It looks like it's gonna pass inspection. But I'm in doubt over here a little bit, so I'm gonna show you and tell me what you think. So let me just give you a little look of how everything is aligned. I'm gonna put the link below of the video when I show when it was crashed. See that? So I used the same bumper. All I did was, as you can see, I was hit right here. This is bent a little bit, but I don't think that's gonna prevent it from passing inspection. Right here, all I did was pass a heat gun through the back, and I used the same bumper. But over here, I have a little doubt. As you can see, the door right here is a little bit, offline, but it does not prevent it from locking. It closes good. But this is how it looks, my friend. The 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan has been finished. So once again, this is Now Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below. Or contact me on nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nowmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Now Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.